Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use onion juice for faster hair growth. Onions contains essential nutrients which help in boosting the hair growth by reducing split ends, controlling oil production in the scalp, and opening the closed hair follicles. So yeah, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. First, take onions, a cup of onions. Here I have taken about 2 onions and cut it into pieces and grind it in paste form. Now strain out the juice from this onion paste. We need this onion juice, aloe vera gel, and 100% pure almond oil, or instead of this you can also use olive oil. Now take a clean bowl and to this I am going to add 1 big spoon of aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel from the fresh aloe vera plant also. And next I am going to add 1 spoon of almond oil. Now mix both the ingredients very well. After mixing this very well, the consistency looks like this, a creamy consistency. And once you have mixed this well, then add this into onion juice. You can even add directly aloe vera gel directly into the onion juice, but it doesn't mix as well, so I have added like this. So all the ingredients mix as well. Now let us see how to use this. Apply this mixture to your hair and on your scalp properly. Leave it for 1 or 2 hours and rinse your hair with normal water and shampoo it with a mild shampoo. Use this remedy once or twice in a week for extreme hair growth. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and for more interesting videos please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.